Hi guys, let's make my mini fridge the coolest mini fridge out there. My mini fridge right now only has one sticker on it and was definitely not enough to give it the style that it needs. So today we're going to be building and designing a whole new suit and a lot of decorations for this mini fridge. First we have to clean our mini fridge. Now that she's all clean, let's get to planning. I need an idea that's going to be smart, helpful, and is going to make this thing look beautiful. First problem that I want to fix is that my mini fridge doesn't have anything on the door. I would like to build something that'll go right here so that we have a pocket on the door. So I need to test and see if I can actually use hot glue on my mini fridge because I don't want to melt any holes through it. My hot glue is warming up. I need to figure out what materials I'm going to use to make this shelf inside of my mini fridge. I've got some stuff that I think might help get the job done. Alright, we're going to test the outside first. Doing it right here, so it's not going to get wet. My mini fridge sweats. Let's test the door. Now it's time to measure and put it on. Oh yeah, guys, and measure twice. I may not be Bob the Builder, but I would say this is pretty good. Here is my workshop. Did this kind of wrong, guys, and I'm right. But what am I gonna do for the sides? I should have cut extra so I could just bend the sides. So I have a hot glue gun, so I'm just gonna cut off some of these purple fins, add it to the sides, and yeah. Alright guys, moment of truth. We have our layout and I think I know how I'm going to glue this down. I think it's going to be around this low. Honestly, I think it should be lower. Yeah. Alright you guys. We're adding our glue. Honestly, kind of scared. I don't want to burn another finger. LOL. Anyways. I think that's low enough. How low can you go? I'm not gonna glue the bottom half because I don't want this to be permanent. It's gotta be everybody's nightmare, but look. The problem is not too big, as I probably could just trim it down a little bit to make it a lot smoother. And I don't know if I'll have to trim this hand too, but we'll see. It closes fine now. As you can see, it's not the beautifulest on the side, but it is very pretty when it's opened up nice and wide, so I guess this is better than that. Our inside of the fridge, the outside still looks like this. Guys, in part 2.